Hey, good, I guess it's afternoon, YouTube. I'm in New York on the 86. I'm about 35 minutes away from Bath, New York, which is about an hour and a half from my house, where I grew up. And I tried getting some video on my GoPro, but I don't know if it's going to work. But this is the part of New York I love. I've never been to the city, don't ever plan on going to the city. Rolling mountains, rolling hills, trees, grass. I miss it up here, but I won't move back because of how the government is and taxes. My mom's actually coming down and grabbing me tomorrow, which will be nice. I haven't seen her in over a year or some change, so it's gonna be a quick little video today. I just been driving, so I don't have much memory on the phone, so I gotta delete a bunch of stuff still and transfer pictures, but I'll let you ride with me until hopefully closer to Hey guys, I just pulled into the Loves here in Bath, New York. I didn't actually calculate this out, but it actually worked out in my favor. It's about 12 miles from my first drop, so that works actually pretty damn good. Like I said, it's going to be a short video. I didn't get a lot of driving today. There really wasn't much going on. It's me going down a highway and trying to beat traffic for this stupid solar eclipse that everybody's losing their damn minds about. So like I said, I might I'll see my my mom tomorrow. She's bringing my guitars that I left actually at the house, so that's nice. But with that said, hope you guys have a good weekend. Don't die on Monday, and I'll see you next week.